Over the past month, I have been gone, and here I am, back again. I haven't been posting since 2 weeks. I am now finally returning. Lil Jay Bird has been back. I'm back, guys. I've been sick. I've been busy on school. I've been busy a lot. I'm finally back to finally be posting. After 2 weeks, I've been back. But here I am, returning back. I've been gone and busy. I took a break. I've took a break of recording, but here I am getting back to YouTube. The last video I posted was something about my Oculus. I will now be returning, posting shorts. Now I can finally get back to posting. And I'm catching up to subscribers, 710. But now I'll be returning, posting shorts. To be honest, look guys, I am not quitting YouTube. I'm not leaving. If you guys wonder why I've been gone, it's been a busy week for me, and it's been a rough week for me, but I'm back already, guys. I'm back. I'll be not posting 3 shorts today. I can try. I haven't done a live stream in a while, cause I've been gone. I've been sick. I've been focusing on school, doing stuff. I've been busy this whole week, but I'm back. But yeah, guys, I've been back. I'll see you guys when I post the shorts. So see ya. I'm back.